What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Cordell the Drastic Waits. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020, and I'm here to talk to you guys about tax preparations for the end of the year of 2020. So, throughout this year, dealing with COVID, it's been a hellacious year, and hopefully, this video will be able to help you with the starter strategy for when you do file for your taxes. First on my list, the money that was received from your child of the $500, if you did receive money up to, I believe, three children was able to be deducted. So that was additional $1,500 you were able to max out on, and as well as for individuals who did file and qualify for the deduction, you were able to receive an additional $1,200. That money is not taxed at all for anyone who did receive any stimulus compensation. Um, Secondly, with unemployment through COVID, if you did receive any unemployment throughout the state for any reasoning, or you receive unemployment due to the pandemic of COVID, that money is taxable. So you do actually have to pay taxes on that money. So keep that in mind for everyone out there. And as well as if we do receive another stimulus check for individuals, that is a great Christmas gift for people. So just that's like a little bit of an icing on the cake if we do receive any stimulus money at the moment. Second, a way to going in and helping out a tax strategy will be knowing your actual credits, tax credits and deductions. So I'll just give you this prime example. If you go into a store and try to buy a software package, that just may help you just a little tad bit, but actually you want to work with someone that could give you a full strategic tax planning strategy for the full year and potentially coming up for the next following year, and actual package of software will not actually get you to prepare for the next following year. So yeah, actually have someone that could sit down with you and go over your personal situation, because everybody's situation will be different. Third on my list is um, correct filings for your taxes and knowing your actual brackets that you will fall in. So every year the tax bracket has gone up just a slight bit. So just know that change, that the tax bracket from last year isn't the same as this year, and they already have what the estimated tax brackets will be for individuals for the next for 2021. So even it actually has increased in income. Um, and with your filings, you have five different areas in which you could file for taxes. You have single, you could file head of household, you could file married, you could file which is joint, and you could file joint separate, and you could file as a widower as well. Fourth is um, knowing that if you are have if you do actually have investments, um, and it may be in real estate or any such other areas, even business. But the one I want to mainly talk about right now is stock. Just know that any stock that you do sell, of course, does affect your tax brackets until the very end of the year. It doesn't roll over into any, marked date at time. So once December 31st comes into play, you kind of jump into a totally new tax uh, scenario. So just think about how that can affect your personal sale and purchase of stocks. And the last on my list for you guys that potentially can help you for individuals on this list is the charitable giving for the $300 um, credit this year. So, um, yeah, if you do give to a charitable um, place or church or any other type of place like that, you are able to write up off up to $300 and be credited back that money. So I just want to go over these couple things for everyone out there. I'm Cordell the Drastic Weights. Thank you all and have a great evening.